What's up, guys? Welcome back to BrosAuto channel. Guess what? I finally got this Duramax back from the Vtuned garage, and it's painted and it's looking so sharp and so slick. What I'm about to do today is I'm gonna take this thing and start putting it back all together.
My rubber panel repair.
All right, I'll get that in there.
All right, guys, so we are
Back at the Vtuned garage.
So we got BrosAuto's truck over here. Everything is sanded down. All we need to do is go ahead and put it in the paint booth. Everything looks really good. We have to strip down the rear door, cut everything off of it. Basically ready for paint.
That's what's up. Check it out.
Are you doing voice over that?
Probably.
Nah, don't be.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to BrosAuto channel. Guess what? I finally got this Duramax back from the Vtuned garage, and it's painted and it's looking so sharp and so slick. What I'm about to do today is I'm gonna take this thing and start putting it back all together, buttoning up this front end. I think it needs to go ahead and get this grill installed, this headlight installed. But first off, let's go ahead and check out and see what this paint job actually looks like. So here it is. Here's the truck. So let's go over this side that has not been painted yet, but check this out. This little trim piece got painted, and man, wow, it matches up with that fender so nice. You can't even hardly tell that it's been repainted. Check this out. This thing looks pretty good. I mean, this is the side that has not been painted. We'll walk around here and go ahead and check it out right quick so we can get a comparison to what the other side looks like. Wow, check out this side, man. It almost looks brand new. You can't even tell that this side's been even painted. Wow, goodness. This door had that blend on it. Oh my goodness, this thing looks nice. Wow. You won't even be able to tell that anything's been done to this truck. This thing turned out nice. out. I finally got the grill all mounted on. It's looking all nice and sharp. And this thing is so heavy, so I got the bros to come help me put this thing on because I wouldn't have been able to do it without them. The other thing is I got the headlight installed, the front grill, the actual grill. I'm still waiting on a new tire for this rim because that original one got broken. That right there is the rear bumper cover. I'm still waiting on a few more brackets to come in from the dealership. Once I receive those, I'm gonna go ahead and install them. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. As we brought this thing back from the paint shop, this thing turned out so nice. The front end finally all put back together. So on the next video, I'll probably be driving this thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the alignment shop, get everything in line, drive straight down the road. And another thing is, go ahead and stay tuned because I got another project coming for y'all, and you'll have to see it on the next episode as I share it with you guys. And another thing, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy these videos, go ahead and hit that big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace.